Hey everyone, this is Yomi, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the invitation for the Look for Less challenge for the month of May. First of all, I want to thank everybody who has participated these past several months. Last month, we definitely hit our highest submissions. I still haven't even gone through all of those videos yet. There were so many participants and I want to thank each and every one of you very much. I know a lot of you guys look forward to this challenge every single month and I never thought it would get this big. So thank you all so much for supporting me and my Look for Less challenge. If you are not familiar with the Look for Less challenge, it is a challenge that I host every single month with a different co-host. In the challenge, we ask you to recreate something from a higher end store a whole lot less, and we invite you to participate. This month, my co-host is Linda over at FaithChick777. On her channel, she shares lots of beautiful, romantic, and shabby chic inspired projects that are just so full of detail. I think you'll love her style. She's got lots of videos. She's so much fun to watch, put stuff together. I think you'll really enjoy her channel, so definitely check it out once you're done with this video. So if you want to participate for this month's Look for Less challenge, here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. Projects are due Wednesday, May 20th at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rule number 2, please make sure to link to our channels in your description box and also include the link to the playlist which I will provide the day we go live. This is the playlist where all of the submissions will be entered and everybody can have access to all of the projects that everyone created. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you still wish to participate, you can always follow us on Instagram and tag us there. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. It could be as small as a napkin ring or as big as a piece of furniture. That one is up to you. Rule number 4, and perhaps the most important, we want to see the original inspiration piece as well as its price next to the piece that you created because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. And that's it. Don't forget, projects are due May 20th. Thank you so much, Linda, for co-hosting, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.